Hello everybody, this is Eric Redjet 505. What we got here is a car that not exist. I just finished 3D printing the body for Ferrari 330 P3 and P4. I just put it together. It's a 1/10 scale just to show off because I'm making a mold for this and I'm gonna make it from actually carbon fiber. And I just wanted to see how it's look, and we're gonna continue this video on the RC Monster Garage. So we'll go to my professional channel, RC Monster Garage, to see the rest of the process, how I print it and design it, and what will be the end result of this beautiful vehicle. So I wanted to do it for a long time. The Ferrari 330 P4 just not exist. Kyosho or Tamiya or someone did those long time ago, and then since then it was never exist anymore. So I decided to make one 3D printed, design it to fit a 1/10 scale. So it's 266 millimeter wheelbase. It's actually 260, and I did one that is 266, and it's 189 wide. And it's have all the details like the rear Ferrari. The different colors over here is because I use leftovers for the filament when I 3D printed, but it's have all the details of the real car. Like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on my next video. Have a happy new year. It's the last day of the year. Bye.